Hi, in last lecture I discussed concatenation. Here all the binary operation is finished. I discussed union, intersection, difference and concatenation. Binary operation means which operation you can do on 2 DFA. Now I'll discuss some unary operation. Unary operation means the operation which you can do on single DFA. Complement, that is a unary operation. Now I'll discuss reverse. If L is a regular language, then L reverse also a regular language. Reverse of DFA may not be DFA, you may get some NFA, but you can convert NFA to DFA, so that's why it is a regular language. Process to get reverse of a finite automata. First step, interchange initial and final state. In complement, we are making non-final to final, final to non-final. Here we will interchange initial and final state. Then step 2, change the direction of edges. If more than one initial state occur, then convert into one initial state by using epsilon. There can be more than one final state, but there cannot be more than one initial state. So if more than one initial state occurs, just convert into one initial state. Let's explain with an example. This is a DFA. Now I'll find reverse of this DFA. So here initial state is 0, final state is 1. Now initial state will be 1 and final state will be 0. Here 1 is the initial state and 0 is the final state. And 2 will be non-final. Now at 1 there was a self loop of AB. In self loop there is no change, so there will be same self loop of AB. Then there was a edge from state 0 to state 1. Now we'll just reverse it. We'll just reverse these edges. So there will be edge from state 1 to state 0 and it will be a transaction. At state 2 there was a self loop, it will be same, and there was a transaction from state 0 to state 2. Now here it will be from state 2 to state 0. Now this is the reverse of this. If you will see, this is not DFA anymore. Here from state 1 there are two transactions for A, and at 0 there is no transaction. So it is no more DFA, it is a NFA, but you can convert into DFA. Here language is start with A. If you will see, here language is end with A. So first step, interchange initial and final state. Second, change the direction. Let's see another example. This is a DFA having two final state. I choose this example because I want to explain if there will be more than one initial state, then what will happen. So here two final state, this 2 will be initial state and this will be the final state. Now 4, 5 will be initial state and 3 will be final state. But there cannot be more than one initial state. So what we'll do, we'll add another state 6 and from that we'll do epsilon transaction to state 4 and epsilon transactions to state 5. Now there is one initial state and at 4 there was a self loop of AB. There will be no change in self loop and there was a transaction from state 3 to state 4. So that will now reverse. Now there will be a transaction from state 4 to state 3. And at 5 there will be self loop same as before and there is a transaction from state 3 to state 5. So now it will be from state 5 to state 3 by B. So this is the reverse of this DFA. Here there are two final states, so we got two initial state. We cannot get two initial states, so we just add one initial state and we did epsilon transaction. Now this is epsilon NFA. You can convert into DFA. If any doubt, just ask me in comment. Thank you.